Another workhorse on the farm is the semi-truck, and while they are big, as Machinery Pete tells us, their prices are even bigger.
Well, folks, we talk a lot about pre-emission used tractors and how auction prices and used values have skyrocketed the past couple years. But I tell you what, it ain't just pre-emission used tractors. Pre-emission trucks, oh my goodness, the buyer demand for good ones just through the roof. And I tell you, I was smacked in the face with this last Thursday on a farm auction in Walnut, Illinois that we filmed for our Machinery Pete TV show. This was a sale by our good friends at Rediger Auction Service, a retirement sale for Duff and Julie Dimmig, well-known folks in the seed corn farming world. And the Dimmigs, great folks. And I tell you what, they had 5 Peterbilts, super sharp. And I'm telling you what, folks, the buyer demand for these trucks leading up to sale day was just, it was beyond palpable. And in terms of sale prices, well, let's start off with the 07 Pete 379 with a Cat C15 engine, 355,100 miles on it. This baby went for $198,000, just phenomenal. And amazingly, even more eye-opening than that one was the older Pete 379, an 01 model, 519,479 miles with a Cat C15 engine. That went for $152,250 with the buyer's fee included. And I'm here to tell you, there were so many people at that sale that came up to me that wanted that truck. Again, 152 and a quarter. And oh, by the way, they had a pair of Pete 335 grain trucks. Let's start with the 07 model, 105,400 miles. This thing went for $155,000, all-time record high auction sale price on a Pete 335. And oh yeah, the 06 model 335, that had 211,462 miles on it and went for $141,250. So I tell you what, last Thursday in Walnut, Illinois, that was a red letter Peterbilt day at the auction.
Your next piece of equipment is on MachineryPete.com. Search equipment from dealerships across the country to find what you're looking for. Only on MachineryPete.com.